Look at Gio grooming my dog. What is he doing? What is Gio doing? This is how obsessed Gio is with dogs. It's insane.
My house is made out of wood. So you better find a good house. Now I'm gonna see your day outside. Tell me if you're boy or girl.
He is the neediest kitten ever. I know. You're so needy. He just follows my dog around everywhere. Okay, hold on, bud. Yeah. Hold on, bud. Look, they're playing. Yeah. Okay, hold on one sec. I'll give it to you in 1 second, okay? Oh. Got such a good mutt, too. Oh, yes, I know. You're kitty. Okay, we'll put him back down for Bahami Rama. Bahama Rama. Come here. Hami, where's your kitty? Where's your kitty, Hami Rama? Where's your kitty? Okay. Here, put the kitty down. One more little video. Bahami Rama. There you go. Okay, put it down with Hami Rama. Good job, bud. Okay, let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. Look. Oh my goodness. What a special little kitty. And seriously, I mean, they met like two times. Yeah. Okay. No more sniffing butts, Bahami Rama.
No.
You good boy.